ayan, punta tayo sa gawaan ng cellphone.
Punta ba tayo palengke tayo?
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming travels. Ayan si tatay. Ayan si Ilyas. Sa Gidi. Ayan. May tantrums. Ayan, naglabas si tatay. Ayan. Gidi, dito ka anak. Gidi, ayan na, aalis na Gidi. Gidi, umayos ka na.
Sabi niya, kakasama.
Hawakan mo nga muna, Ilyas.
Utot ko na, ay.
Eh, oh. Kumpitin mo. Hawakan mo mabuti, baka matalbo. Ikaw na ba yung cameraman ko?
No. Live. Nasaan nanay? Kasama din yung watang yung cellphone na yun. Ano to sa palengke nanay?
Araw-araw ang sunny day. Time check, it's already 4 ng hapon. So, ayun. Pinagawa yun ni tatay kahapon. Tapos, babalikan natin siya ngayon. So, malaki yung ginagampanan ng cellphone sa ating pagiging digital creator at aspiring vlogger. Ayun. Kasi, nagagamit natin yung cellphone pang video, pa online selling, at pakikipag-engage. Ayun. So, engagement is the key para mag-grow ang ating channel, ang ating account. Ayun. So, samahan niyo po kami sa aming journey bilang aspiring digital creator and vlogger. Ayun. So, hoping ayun, mag-viral yung ating kahit isa lang sa ating mga video mag-viral para kumita tayo ng medyo malaki para makabili tayo ng gadgets ng cellphone. Ayun. Kasi yung cellphone na kukunin natin ngayon ay nasira. Nasira siya kasi nalaglag siya ni Ilyas at ni Gidi. So, pinalitan yung kanyang LCD, pinalitan yung kanyang battery, pinalitan ni Gidi yung sa may saksakan ng charger kasi ayaw na rin niyang mag-charge. Kaya, ayun, hindi ko lang alam kung magkano ang bayad sa pagpagawa. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood sa aming mga video, sa mga sumusuporta po sa aming mga video at mga live presentation. Ayun. So, nagkaroon po tayo ng earnings. So, maraming salamat din po sa mga palipad sender. Ayun, malaking ambag po para po makaipon po tayo ng fresh call at makasahod tayo. Ayun. Maraming salamat po kasi dahil hindi po kami sikat, kahit wala pong aabangan sa akin channel, nandyan pa rin po kayo para supportahan po kami. Kaya highly appreciated po. So at this moment, we're here at Mahatian, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. So ayan yung tourist pangatian. Ayan. So, may park. And then, pagka mayroong mga officials, US officials, humihinto sila doon, nagbibigay ng pugay doon sa may tourist park na yun. Kasi, malaki yung ginampana ng tourist park na yun sa ating kasaysayan dito sa Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. So, one time, we will visit there para mabasa natin yung kasaysayan kung bakit mayroon itong tourist spot there. So, yung aming ano ba yung tumatalsik na yun? Yes, laway. Hindi naman yun ulan. Ang tuloy ng bus. Diyan pala nagagaling yung water na yun. Akala ko laway mo yun, Ilyas. I-close mo yung eyes mo kasi merong mga dust. No, that is gravel. Gravel and sand. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh man. Oh. Ang galing naman. So, ayan, it's sunny day. So, very sunny day. So, we're going to pagawaan ng cellphone sa cellphone repair shop. Because nasira na ang ating cellphone. Kaya pinagawa na ni tatay. Kasi wala na tayong magamit pang video. So, ayun. Pinagawa ni tatay yesterday and then today we will get it. Because it's already done. So, we can pick up that na. Cabanatuan City. So, meron ditong stoplight. So, there you go. The stoplight is off. Why? Why the stoplight is off? Is it low ba? Or what?
Maybe it's to charge.
Hindi siya na-charge. Maybe it's broken.
Gusto look pa yung dito na on the lever para mag-on.
Ito po yung kapilya ng Bangad, Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. Tada! Yung FM Bread and Noodles, isa sa restaurant na sikat dito sa Nueva Ecija. So, well known po siya na restaurant here in Nueva Ecija. So, bahagi siya ng kasaysayan ng Nueva Ecija, ang FM Bread and Noodles. So, it's a very sunny day. And the sunshine is so very hot.
Sakit mo na face ko!
Oh man, oh man, oh going on? So, ayun. Ito yung bangad. Umuunlad na siya kasi meron ng Robinsons. Ayan, Robinsons Easy Mart. So, sabi nila, pagka ang isang barangay, ang isang bayan ay maunlad na, pumapasok na ang mga negosyo. So, ayun, yung Robinsons, malaking kumpanya na siya. So, nandito na siya sa Bangad, kaya maunlad na ang Bangad sa Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija. So, ito naman yung ano, ayan, yung, ang tawag yan sa nag-vocationary courses, yun. Doon, pwedeng mag-aral ng automotive. TESDA, ayun, accredited siya ng TESDA na pwede kang makakuha ng mga certificates na magagamit pag-apply ng work, ayun. So, lalo na yung mga umaalis papuntang ibang bansa. So, nag-aaral sila sa TESDA para magkaroon ng national certificate. So, we're here na. Ito tayo. Ayan, the shortcut. If I'm not mistaken, this is papuntang Cross Roja. Ayan.
Sabi ni Nana, hindi ka nakakapunta dito sa
Yeah.
ano sa
Look at that. Ang ganda-ganda ng view. Look at that. It's so very green. It's a green rice field. Oh, this one is so very green. But it's not yet,
Don't let it break it up.
yeah.
That's something weird.
Look at the mountains behind there.
Lots of monsters.
And there's a cell site too.
Lots of monsters.
And look at the clouds formation. It's so good. So, ayan, maunlad na din dito.
That's the strongest tornado.
Oh, yeah.
Its name is Tornado Cloud.
Ganon.
It's gonna be dangerous.
So, very.
We need to build the under bunker. It can suck everything out.
That's not true. The bunker is not true because if there's an earthquake, the bunker will destroy also. Look at the cloud formation. It's look like, yeah, it's look like a cotton candy. It look like a cotton candy, a pillow. not going on. It's so very hot.
Wait, it's burning there. It's
What they're doing? Tay, saan papunta yun?
The National States. Do it. And then, always run like that. All black nanay.
Apa.
Nanay.
Apa.
God is your savior. You do the God. God is all the savior. Anyway, bawal yung devil. Bad yung devil. Walang si God. Nanay.
Yeah. May save din pala dito, Tay.
Ito,
Ah, ginagawa pa?
Lulalay.
So we're here at Cruz Roja. Shortcut po ito papuntang Mayakyap. So, dito tayo. What? How did you know?
Wait, I think that road runs through. Yeah, so means that's good. Yes. And why is it the same shape?
I don't know.
How did I don't know that was there? And this is the same one of yung pagtawag ng ano ko na ay pulsohan.
Yeah.
And why is everything is the same?
Because this is the way to go there.
And there's our home. Our dad guy don't
Look at the wheels. It's so very big. That is a wheel or a tire?
tire.
What is the difference between the tire and the wheel?
It's a mountain. Ito kaya sige, nana, kita. A mountain top comet. Kay nanay.
Apa.
Kat nanay. Nanay.
Do you know how to explain already? The difference between the tire and the wheel.
Tatay. Dapat mo ko dapat kay pisohan tatay. Or hindi magpulo doon. Tatay.
No. We will go home after we pick up the cell phone. Uh-oh. Be careful, guys, while driving. Huwag tayo magmadali at madali tayo makakarating ng langit. Sandal ka. Anong bibili nating merienda? Anong bibili nating merienda? Anak turon? I want to eat. Apples and bananas. You dry your lips. magka-crack-crack yan pag hindi mo drenay. Pag nag-crack yan, ouchie, kasi magkakaroon yan ng ubat. Try mo yung mouth mo.
Ano? I will try again.
Oh. Tatay, anong brand ng motor na yan? Ang tulin pala niya, maingay lang ah.
Yeah, color blue na. Walang space na ikaw. Hindi lang ako. Elay. Gusto naman naman na lang drinks.
Mamaya na tayo mag-drinks. Ouchie yung eyes ko.
Ito yung motor na yan. Nanay. Yung motor.
Gusto mo yan?
Yeah. Nagagod ko na for the one na. Huwag na yung tayo ng car. Yeah.
Mas maganda yung car.
Ito dati.
Kasi hindi ka mahahat. Kasi may aircon.
Walang gagawin siyang malit na pan.
May aircon yung car. Tapos meron pa siyang shield. Hindi ka ma-rain.
Mas meron pa yun.
Hindi ka rin mahahangin.
Radios! May kasama sa may car. That's ang radio.
Meron siya CCTV.
Yeah. Wala siyang galon.
Sabi mo may video. Hindi may CCTV.
Oh. Yeah. That's just ang videos.
Why the daan is like that? What's going on?
Today's lang paano sila celebrate.
We're celebrating?
Meron silang chocolates.
Ang patay. It's a funeral.
What's a funeral?
It's dead.
What is it? Isaan ba?
Hindi mo ba na-see?
Yeah.
Why you did not open your eyes so that you can see?
Yung strongest ang nakakita.
Strong ba yung sun? O shining bright?
It's shiny right there. Yeah.
Tatay, may bagong daan. Talavera San Jose daw. Ang galing naman.
Yan.
Dito ba yun? We're here at Mayapyap Bridge. So ito po yung bagong gawang bridge. Yeah. Look at that. It's so nice. like a tornado.
Wait, wait.
There's a river down there.
Tatay, maliligo.
Nobody will take a bath there, but they use the water to watering the plants and using for the irrigation purposes. Wow. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's so scary naman. I'm so very scary. So ayan, nakalagpas na po tayo sa Mayapyap Bridge. So we're here at Mayapyap. So ayun yung kapilya, lokal ng Mayapyap. But we will going here. Ayan. Opo. So, dito kasi yung way papunta doon sa paggawaan ng cellphone.
Ano? Pupunta ako sa ipo yung sofa.
So, cellphone repair shop. So, this is
Tatay.
oh no!
Sisingin natin.
Baka dyan lang sila nakatira. Sayang naman natin effort.
Magpunta na lang kay Kuya Soda tayo. Sabi mo, dito lang kakapunta kay Kuya Sohan.
Uwi na tayo kasi close.
Oh. Tatay. Naupid. Ano nanay?
Opo.
Tatay. Ito ba tatay? Punta tayo kay Kuya Sohan. Tatay.
Opo.
Wala. Punta natin ng Bob Blatter.
Old house. Oops, yeah. Ba't wala mga kulambitang? Ano ba ito nangyayari? Ayan si tatay, bibili daw siya ng tsinelas niya.
Kung magbili lang yun.
Ano?
Yung bubble blaster, ba't hindi nagbabatteries ba't ganito? gano'n nagagalaw. Bakit ganito?
Sabihin mo kay tatay, I don't have money.
Ganito. Nagagano mo lang.
Oh.
Diba nga galon, blow mo, lalabas yung bubbles.
Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood. Meron na po tayong 30 minutes and 34 seconds na video. Highly appreciated po ang inyong support. Just leave on a comment on my comment section para po mabalikan ko po kayo. Yeah. So ayan, nakapili na si tatay ng kanyang anak.
Nanay.
Hmm.
Look like Kermit the Pig.
Hmm.
Sabi ng bros na yun,
Number 1.
sabi niya, may biktima.
Narinig mo?
But where the biktima?
Biktima?
Yeah.
Hindi ko narinig yun.
Sabi niya, papatayin niya yun.
Ganun ba yung ibig sabihin nun?
Yeah, he's pretending kind to people, but tatay, hindi mo lang.
So ayan, nakabili na si tatay ng shoe, ay ng slippers. So we're
Or
going
hindi magagalaw.
home. Oops, 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 oops.
Ito yung sana yung toy na yun. Ganito mo lang yun. Ang babal. Ayun yun, ayun. Ay, pwede kayo ko yung sohan tatay. Tayo ba yung tatay? Pwede ba tayo carbon? Tatay?
Nang?
Mura daw dito, 1 peso lang.
Baka sarado na yun, hapon na.
Tatay.
Ice cream ba yun? Ice cream! Ah! We have an ice
Ito
cream!
yung cup.
Ako din.
Ito yung cup, tatay. I want a cup.
Bibili tayo ng ice cream. Ayan. Cup. Sa cup.
A cup.
Tatlo po. Ay, 4. Yummy, yummy ice cream.
Look like, saan ba nila yan nahanap?
Hindi nila yan nahanap, ginawa nila.
Siya naman, siya wala yung cellphone. Bili kasi Shopee.
Look at the flavor is strawberry.
Strawberry with vanilla with chocolate. Yeah.
Walang chocolate, pero walang strawberry.
Ayun.
Cheese.
You love.
You love cheese? strawberry.
I don't like sweet.
Yummy, yummy.
Well, that's vanilla. Vanilla.
Vanilla.
Yeah. Vanilla like what?
Ah.
Mas akala sila ng tree na white. Ganon.
And then,
Tapos vanilla, delicious. Ice Pampami.
Kamanin nyo ah.
I have an ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. There's Alas. First bite. Giddy, first bite. Tastes good?
Oh, this fire.
Mm.
It look like strawberry.
Yeah.
Look like in the garden.
There's Tatay. Thank you po. Ang Tagalog po ng ice cream ay sorbetes.
Sorbete?
Yeah,
What's that?
sorbetes. That is the Tagalog of ice cream. Bye-bye ice
Ito
cream.
yung Tagalog ng separate yung Pilipinas. Ice cream.
This is our merienda ice cream. Tada! Ice cream, ice cream. Let's eat ice cream. Yummy, yummy ice cream. Maraming salamat po sa nanonood. Meron na po tayong 37 minutes na video. Highly appreciated po. Mag-iwan lang po kayo ng comment sa ating comment section para mabalikan po natin kayo. Elias, you finish yours ice cream and then I will give my ice cream to you. Where we gonna go?
Lupisuhan!
Are you really sure?
Yeah.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Ayun! Sino bibilhan mo ng pagkain?
Kulungan ng aso. Kulungan ng aso.
Ah, bamboo trees. There's so many bamboo trees at the side of the road.
Amazing and good.
There's a huge tree of acacia. So, approaching tayo sa Dalampang. So, ito po yung Mayakyap Cemetery.
I don't got time to go.
Yeah.
It looks like
Malabak-labak po ang daan. Aray-aray.
looks like Ghana.
Ako.
Looks like
Wow, may Alphamart na din dito sa atin. Umuunlad na talaga siya. Uy, katapat pa siya nung groceryhan natin.
Kapag nakita ko si tatay, si Rose tatay.
Wow, may bagong daan dito.
Wala punta na ako dito.
Saan ang lusot nito pa?
Uy.
Mabuti meron nagdidilig. Hindi siya masyadong maano. Aray ko, maalikabokski. Oh, this is the bridge.
Yeah.
Oh,
We need to go. We need to go straight to there.
wow. road. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at the crane. It's so very big. Have you seen the crane? Oh. Oh. Anong puno yan? Ang ganda ng bulaklak.
It's called the Chinese tree.
Ang ganda ng tree na yun. Purple ang kanyang flower.
This is not from Chinese, like
Look at the excavator. I see the excavator.
the excavator crane.
I see. Oh, it's so very higher. We're going up to the mountain.
And look like a roller coaster.
It's like a roller coaster.
We're gonna go back.
Wow, look at that. Ang ganda naman. This is my first time to travel here at the bridge. This is a Dalampang Bridge. Okay, you put together. Look at the mountain. Have you seen the mountain? It's so nice. Wow, I love it.
Ice cream mountain is good.
It's a long, long, long bridge. Oh, it's the end. The bridge is end here.
Now it's a roller coaster.
Oh, it's going down.
How does that work?
It's light. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Yeah. And I look like
It's so much fun.
Yay.
Oh, it's a rough road here. But this is a shortcut to go home. So, you will go here and go there. And this is what we see. It's so very nice to see the mountain here. And there's an airplane up above the sky.
I think that's
It's a jet plane.
no, it's the pepper. I know where it's that. That's the guy that see that.
It's so very high. Have you enjoyed our trip? It's chicory. You drink it na because it's melting your ice cream.
I think that's.
Drink it.
I think that's a plane. It's a different plane.
What do you want? Ah, full ka na? Okay, kuya will ubos this. Look at that! Is that a goose? A duck? A baby? What? They're going to swimming! It's a goose. It's a duck. Oh! It's a bird. There's so many goose. purgat mo.
Madami na ba ang iwan? Bakit ako lang? May nito ano natin, roller coaster.
Roller coaster. Apa.
Don't you see? Roller coaster.
I love the rice field.
I like roller coaster.
So, ito po yung Vergara Bridge. Ayun. Leopoldo Vergara Bridge. So, there you go. Oh. Perfect po ditong mag-jogging, mag-practice ng driving, ganyan. Kasi wala pong dumadaan masyado.
Why does the body?
At pwede rin mag-date. So, ayan ang bridge. Ito yung aming bonding. Mag-travel, here lang. Automatic. Because of the strong wind. It's blast off. Like a rocket. Ayun. Water. Look at that, a tractor. Wow. Amazing. Meron na po tayong 49 minutes na live. Video. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood at sumusuporta sa aming video. Highly appreciated po. So, rock road again. It's so very shaky. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po ang aming video because we're traveling to go home. Ayun, sumama tayo kay tatay para pick upin yung cellphone na pinagawa natin. But it's closed. The store is closed because it's fiesta there. Maganda rin yung sumasama tayo kay tatay kasi meron tayong video. Ayan, meron tayong video for today. But, nahulog ulit dito ang kahoy. 2 times na yun.
No one time like
Tatay, pa, meron pang bridge
O
doon.
yun nga, nakita mo kanina. Kung saan mo papunta, yan nga rin mo.
Hindi tayo doon pwede dumaan.
O, balik ka sa Lourdes kay Nanay.
Ito po yung kapilya ng... Anong lokal yan? Crossroad. Na-remove na yung pony ko sa sobrang shaky na pinagdaanan natin. Para na tayo nitaw na kuryente. Nasyak na yung hair mo. Hindi.
Ano sa akin?
Na-shock. Na-electrify. So very funny, Giti. What happened to your hair?
Ikaw, na-shock ka din.
Na-remove na nga yung pony ko sa sobrang shock. Nagtigas na yung aking hair nito sa sobrang dami ng dust.
Ano ba hiccup?
Kasi tumawa ka kaya ka nagka-hiccups. Pinagtawanan mo si baby. You deserve. Deserve. Sumandal ka nga.
Ito na ba tayo?
Ayan, welcome to Barangay Obrero. Aray ko.
Dito po ito, nanay.
Ano?
Dito po ito,
Dito ka Gresoho. Guguhom na nga tayo. Paano pa
Ayun
pa mo sa
yun.
Gresoho?
Ayun.
Ala. Ilyas, don't do that.
Natatanggal ko lang yung hair. Nanay.
Masusuffocate ka na.
Ang ganito.
Tingnan mo yung damit mo, basa na. Maupo ka ng maayos. Nakuha mo na yun dyan, Tay? Nag-bounce back.
Yan. That's my Superman. Yan. Tawagin mo na lang yung cup. Superman cup.
Yun na ba yung uso?
Maliligo ba ako? Yan. Tingnan mo shirt ko.
I don't think so. No, 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 no.
Ate, sana yung papi ko. Pwede ako lang ligo every day.
Nakadalawang ligo ka na nga ngayon eh.
What equal for five?
Ouchie, ouch. I know it. You're looking for the toy.
Salwa.
Right there. You're looking for the toy. I know it.
Next one. Ano yung play?
Yeah.
Nakasabilanan.
Tatay, dito ba yung ano? BG Resort? Doon daw yung ano, reception.
Hindi! Malayo yun! Ilan tayo makapunta doon? Jeep Resort ay malayo yun.
8,000 daw tayo. Yung bayad. Ha? Sa BJ Resort. May motor! Na-surprise ako!
Nakakahimatay!
It's a very surprising moment. Have you ever seen yung toy mo ma-pull down? Have you ever seen?
Ayan! Ate!
Slow! Slow! Slow!
Ito ba yung Ibis Resort?
Miranda yun. Tingnan natin yung BJ Resort.
Ano ba?
Pumunal daw yung tayo eh.
Pwede? Pwede? Ayun ba yun? Naka-rain. Oh, nanay. Yan.
Pag ikakasal na si Ate Den, diyan tayo pupunta.
Asan na yun?
Malayo pa. Munting Paraiso, hindi yan Lilias.
Open na, look. Yung door.
Wow.
Pwede na tayo pumunta,
I
nanay.
love it.
Eh, pwede na ba?
Hindi pa. Hindi pa nga tayo nakakabili ng damit. Bibili muna tayo ng damit tapos mag-sing na. Congratulations! This wishes! And then you will throw the flowers. And then you will give your gift. Ang ganda ng house. I love it.
Ang pagkakita ha.
Kilala mo ba yun?
Yeah. Ano pew?
Asan yung bahay ni Brianna? Ito ba yun? Yung ba yung bahay ni Brianna?
Doon sa nanay.
What?
Ang sabi mo?
What?
Yan?
What?
Yan, sorry, eclipse. Nanay, kasal.
Dito natin pinanganak si Gidi.
Eh, ba't mo ako napaiyak eh? Eh, susunod naman ko yung video mo.
Ayan po yung taniman ng sitaw. Okra plantation. And okra. This is a new resort. We're going there. It is
Hindi na ako makakita.
already open to public.
Nabis ko yung drinks tatay. Say bye na lang. Aso, drinks? What?
We're here at Bagong Sikat. Cabanatuan City in Nueva Ecija.
Aso!
Dog yun!
Yung English ay aso.
Yung English ay dog. Yung Tagalog ay aso. You're selected.
Ano tayo mo ako?
Go! Aso!
This is you aso.
Aso!
This is you aso. This is you aso
You see
yan.
the aso?
Emanet siya so natawag na sisiu.
Oh yeah. That is aso.
Sisiu aso.
Aso!
Sisiu. Ang dami ka na lang ito. Sisiu.
Manok! 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 Manok!
Patayin natin! Saan na ba yung clouds? Nanay,
Nag-sleeping na.
wala na yung clouds.
Nag-disappear. Okras. Okras plantation.
However,
So, gani okras.
yan.
Calamansi.
Merry
Wow
Christmas!
house. Huy! Bawal yun.
I'm very kind.
Ayan yung lying in kung saan po pinanganak si Gigi. St. Mary Rose lying in. Dito si Gigi pinanganak. Ayan. Accredited po siya ng PhilHealth. Ayan siya. St. Mary Rose Lying In. Doon ko pinanganak si Gigi Man. Ngayon ay magpo 4 years old na si Gigi. So pag nanganak doon, pag nagpunta, within the day, pwede rin umuwi. Basta walang complication. Ayun. Mas maganda kasi sa bahay magpagaling kaysa sa lying in kasi ano din, magdalagdag ka din ng bayad pag nagtagal ka doon. Parang sa hospital din, pag matagal kang naka-admit, ayun, lumalaki yung bill ng hospital. So, mas prepare naming mga anak noon sa lying in kasi nga noon pandemic, so wala maiiwan kay Ilyas yung anak ako kay Ilyas, kaya alaga muna namin si Ilyas kay mami kala Kuya Sohan. Ayun, so that is okra plantation and the malunggay trees. She don't like you.
Meron pang name niya.
I don't know.
Cha-cha. I'm so thirsty.
We're coming home. Home. We're closer to home. That is a
Military.
small
Hi.
shop. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Meron na po tayong 1 hour and 5 minutes na video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support at pagmamahal. Highly appreciated po. Just leave on a comment on my comment section and then I will support you back after this video. Oh no, my phone is falling down. What's going on? Huwag malikot. Huwag malikot. Wagit. Oh! Ha? Napul down na nga yung pony ko.
Ito mo na yung hair ko. Ito mo na. Ito mo na yung mukha ko.
Ayun.
Ito mo to. Ito mo. Ito mo na ako. Look at me.
Oh.
Nakating ako.
Na-electrifying na.
Askin. Ako din.
May humps. Tayo sa irrigation tayo daan para maganda ang view. Para mayroon akong magandang view.
Anong view?
Views.
Sabi mo kape mo sa cellphone. No? Hmm. Napangit pa ako.
Asan na yun? I never see Ouchie.
Hindi ka nakakita ng ouchies? Pati ouchies. Hindi ka nakakita ng ouchies?
Yan, dyan na tayo daan. Dyan na tayo daan. Yan, dyan. Yan, yan, yan.
Pumunta na ba tayo sa resort natin?
Ayan, yan, yan, yan.
Eh, ito yan.
Kadiri.
Ano ba yan?
Bugs. Ew. Modern.
Ano si Waso? Nanay. Ito na yung resort nanay.
Yeah. Ba't gusto mo ng resort?
Ito yung resort.
You're curious about the resort?
Yeah.
Are you really sure of it?
Yeah.
That is a vacation, not a resort.
What's a resort?
That is a water
Ito yung
supply for the rice
resort.
fields,
Pwede sa sila
the vegetable farms, like that.
I can actually watch our vegetable farm. Are you pranking me?
Why I'm gonna pranking you? Oh, look at that, it's a fish pond.
Where?
Beside you. On the other side, there's a fish pond. There.
There's not by your mom.
This is the vacation.
There's this fish there.
You cannot take a bath there because it's so very deep.
Mamamatay ikaw.
Yeah.
Alalay. Matay.
Look at that. It's so very nice view here in the irrigation.
Nandito na ba tayo?
Yeah. You want to go here every day so that we can see the water. Oh, the dog guys. Oh my gosh. Don't chase us. Look. Scary.
Ba't ang baho?
Backlash.
May takalas. Yung pata.
The piggery.
Bawa!
That is a piggery.
Where?
It's right there. There's so many piglets.
No, joke ka lang.
And the mommy pig and Peppa Pig.
And daddy begin joke orange.
Yeah. Giddy is sleeping like George.
Eh, sino ba tayo? Bisig na.
George, are you sleeping, George?
Eh, dito na tayo sa resort.
Yeah, that is a resort.
Ano?
That is a Soler Farm Resort.
Ato ba yung farm? Dito tayo.
Farm.
Dito ba
You
tayo?
cannot enter there if you have no reservation. Aray.
Ano ba yun?
Reservation, you need to pay all over the place. And that is so very expensive. That is a Soler, Farm de Soler.
Ano ba yung resort?
Yeah. That is the resort. We don't have money to go there.
Ano
Yeah.
tayo?
What? What?
Andito
a wrong way.
This is the right way.
Wrong.
You sure?
Ate Bet is closed.
Alam mo ba? This is the right way. And I see it's the right way. Kita mo ba? It's the right way. See? I can remember the town. Remember ko na yung yung town ko.
Opo.
Where you go? That is RC.
So, ayan. Pauwi na tayo. Ba't anong oras ba yun?
Ano ba yun?
Pag alas 6, abot ba tayo? Pwede pumunta pa rin tayo kahit huli. It's better to be late than never. Bye! That's all. Thank you for watching.